was the last presentation, so we reached the end of our workshop today. We have enjoyed 19 excellent talks, which illustrated the application of tensor decompositions and tensor networks to modern machine learning problems. We are convinced that this field has a great potential, and we hope that this collection of talks and papers will motivate researchers to further explore this exciting field of research. As we said in the opening, we plan to post all the videos and slides of the talks for those authors that already agreed to share. We will put them in the workshop webpage and in YouTube. Finally, we would like to thank all that have participated in this event. We hope that you enjoyed as we did. We want to thank to the EGCAI conference organizers, all the anonymous reviewers, to all the co-organizers that allowed to make this event real. Finally, I would like to especially thanks to Lin Feng from RIKEN AIP, who assisted us playing all the pre-recorded videos. I don't know if you, Guillaume, or Chivin want to add something.
So I just like one comment that I was thinking. One thing that is really interesting with the network, and that was nicely showcased in the series, the great series of talks that we had, is how they are at the intersection of many different communities, right? So we have like quantum physics, yes, but also in numerical analysis, and there is also all the kind of more hardware, like developing tools that to make this efficient algorithm. And I think this is really something that is powerful, right? While they have emerged from quantum physics and quantum matters, there is also a lot of potential interaction between those different fields, right? To use this algorithm from one area into the other. And so I think it was really exciting to see all those talks and to see the varieties of different perspectives on how to use these techniques, or sometimes just consider problem from a new perspective, or develop new theoretical tools with tensors. So I think it's really exciting, this kind of events and workshop, to really see to which extent tensor network, I really believe, have great potential for machine learning, because to start with, they're really at this intersection of several disciplines. So yeah, I would like also to join you in thanking all the presenters for the great presentations, and really to showcase a little bit this. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, William. And Chivin?
Yeah, I would like to thank to all speakers for giving excellent talks. I really enjoyed it. Also, thanks to all audience who are interested in our workshop for actively asking questions and discussions. I expect more and more researchers will join us to work on this research field, which I believe would have great potential in the future. So I saw some other co-organizers also in the room. Yukoda, do you want to say something?
Hello, I really enjoyed the workshop, and also I want to say thank you to all the presenters who have interesting talks. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Professor Sugiyama,
let me just thank everybody, so all organizers, for this great workshop. So it was really successful. Thank you.
Thank you. So actually, we still have 1 hour time. If some audience want to discuss something, we can have free discussion now. If nobody want to have discuss, we will close our workshop. Okay, maybe we close our workshop, and we hope we will have a second time workshop in the future.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Chivin.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chivin.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Cesar. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Guilherme. And thank you, everyone.
It was a great workshop. Thanks.
Okay, see you next time. Maybe in
See you.
person, hopefully.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Okay.
Be
Okay.
safe, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy
Bye-bye.
New Year.